Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize the cloud item on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to make it look like Ariel is on a rock. I just have this top here. I'm just going to select no pearls, and I'm just going to color it that classic purple shell that she wears. And obviously for the tail, we are going to use the mermaid item here, the tail. And then I'm just going to color it this green for all of it. You can obviously add more accessories if you'd like to, but I'm just going to go back to the code section and I'm just going to select the cloud. Then here I am just going to kind of layer it so it looks kind of like rocks here. Like that. And that is pretty much how you can customize the cloud item on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.